You might be asking yourself, why would I work with a managed service provider? BorderLAN is very different from normal managed service providers. What we do is very specific to cybersecurity. Doing business with BorderLAN will provide you with a few key essential things. And number one is peace of mind, and number two is security. We have built our business on cybersecurity, specifically to take care of the items that your IT people don't have time to do, which is usually things like watching over AV logs, firewall logs, making sure that you're all buttoned up. There are a lot of people right now who are fishing for data, for information within your company, school, and city. And they're always doing it with email and web traffic, and they're very stealthy about it. So what BorderLAN does is we take the guesswork out of it. We get with you and we plug in those little holes that might exist that will help you get visibility to the problems that you might have and help you affordably solve those problems. That's what really BorderLAN was founded on, and that's what we're all about. Every time we sell and provide a solution to somebody, we not only put it in, we make sure your experience is good, and when it's all said and done, we follow up with you every single month, sometimes every week, to make sure that the product is performing to par. BorderLAN can be your partner in cybersecurity. What we do is we help plug those little holes that exist that can make all the difference between you being breached and not. And you really can't wait, because these problems are happening every single day. There are phishing attacks that are attacking your employees while we're talking. And IT staff, typically, we work with them too, because IT is just too busy to do it on their own. So what BorderLAN does is we offer a suite of products and services geared toward typical networks, because everyone is custom, but typically you have little problems that are just not being addressed, and we can help with those problems. Making sure your antivirus is up to speed, making sure your firewall is okay, and that somebody's watching these things. We can also go in and help plan your cyber defense and give you a 24-month plan of all the different things you can do to improve your security posture. And those products sometimes can be very, very affordable and stop some of the most vicious attacks that otherwise could bring a company down. What BorderLAN can do that's very different from other people is that we actually provide products that we have tested in our network with our engineers, and we know how to integrate them into your network. So we work very, very hard to ensure that we are providing the proper amount of training and knowledge so that your deployment is successful. The biggest problem right now is people are buying network security products and thinking that out of the box it's going to work, and it doesn't. And it rarely protects you. These phishing attacks are going on constantly. They're vicious, and they're targeting your employees, and they don't even realize they're being targeted. So what we do is we help you find those holes, and we help you band-aid those things with solutions. Then we're going to ask you whether you would like us to help you service them. And that's a big important part that sets us apart from any other product you can typically buy online, because we might have helped you put it in. We can help you configure it and help you watch it. Every week, every month, we log in, make sure everything is dialed in and buttoned up exactly as it should be. And then we help identify other problems that you might have in your network. This is what sets BorderLAN apart. We do want to work with you, and I encourage you to give us a call at 760-736-8100. And feel free to reach out to any of our solution experts, and we'll be able to help you.